The question says number of d electrons in Fe2 plus atomic number of iron is given, that is 26, is not equal to that of, means we have to compare the number of d electrons of Fe2 plus with the orbital of other elements. You can see p electrons in neon, s electrons in magnesium, d electron in Fe, and p electrons in chloride ion. We can calculate. Okay. First of all, we calculate the total number of electrons in d orbital in case of Fe2 plus. Okay. So Fe atomic number we have 26. If we write outermost electronic configuration, 6 will go to d orbital and 2 will go to s orbital. This is the electronic configuration we have. 6 d and 2 s. Okay. Now Fe2 plus we have, means it is losing electron. How many? 2 electron. Then we have 3d6 is there. So how many electrons are present in d orbital? Total 6 electrons are present. Okay. Now we move on to the first option. In this case we have p electrons in neon. Okay, so neon atomic number is given what? 10 is there. If you write electronic configuration, 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6 is there. We got 10 electrons. It says p electrons in neon. You can see p electron is having, p electrons. Okay, in p orbital, how many total number of electrons are there? You can see 6 electrons are there in p electrons. In p orbital, how many total number of electrons are there? 6 electrons are there. So you can see d electrons in Fe2 plus are equal to p electrons in neon. That is same, and it is asking is not equal to that of. That we have to determine in which orbitals electrons are not same. But in this case, it is same. d6, p6. Okay. In case of second option, manganese is there. Manganese. Its atomic number is what? Magnesium is there. Its atomic number is 12 is there. It is a second group element is there. So we have 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and then we have 3s2 is there. Okay. So it says s electrons. So what was the number of electrons present in s orbital? 2 electron, 4 electron, and then 6 electrons are there. So you can see total number of electrons present in s orbital is also 6. So you can see d electrons are equal to s electrons in magnesium. Interesting. Then we have d electrons in Fe. We have already Fe, d electrons. In this case, even if it does not lose electrons, you can see maximum number of electrons in d orbital is 6 only. It is also correct, because in this case we are getting 3d6 and 4s2 is there. So you can see d electrons in Fe2 plus also equal to d electrons in Fe, same only. Okay. Then obviously D option is supposed to be correct. But how it is correct, we can justify. Now pay attention carefully. We have Cl minus ion is there. Atomic number of Cl is what? 17. It is having -1 charge, means it is gaining 1 electron. So atomic number will be what? 18 is there. 17 plus 1, 18. Right, electronic configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and 3p6 is there. Outermost orbital is completely filled. Now it says p electrons. Now see where the p orbital is there. This is one p orbital. This is another p orbital. Total number of electrons present in p orbital: 2p6 and 3p6. 6 electrons here, 6 electrons here also. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Total electrons we have 12. Now you can see d electrons in Fe2 plus is not equal to p electrons in chloride ion, because in this case how many total electrons are there? 12 electrons are there. Option D is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.